Hi, good morning. Today is Thursday, and want to show you guys what we did a couple of days last weekend. We had to replace some shiplaps due to termite damage up on the roof area. Let me show you. So it's this area here. So basically, the roofer or my roofer had to remove ties over here where the ridge is. He actually moved them out so you don't see any ties on the edge here, and then he had to remove the old paper. Now the paper was old also because we haven't changed the paper for the last 30 years or so. So what he did, he primer and paint these shiplaps over here, and then he put it up there in this area here, and maybe some over here. Quite a bit of work there. It looked okay, but see a little bit of probably okay. See a little bit of lie there. I don't know what happened. I'll have him checked out when he come back again. So this is the roofing paper. He told me it's kind of brittle. See that? It's kind of brittle. If you break it, of course, but if you don't, then it's stay there like that. But it is what it looks like after 30 years. Anyway, we're gonna be replaced. So my roofer gonna be coming and replace fascias over here, and a few more in the back. Some of them require removing ties on the ridge. So that will be this weekend project. We'll let you know. Basically, we're gonna be using fascia board that already primed, and one of the surface or one of the side will be rough surface. It's not smooth over here, it's kind of rough. So we want to match it, and then we're gonna paint it like white before we put it up there. So, and then a few weeks later, I'm gonna be doing termite fumigation tent, and then after that I'm going to be replacing roofing paper on this side of the house all the way in the back. As you can see, we have to replace this piece also this weekend. We'll see you folks on the next video. Have a great day.